Hello again. So what I'm going to show you during this exercise is to how to grab logs from the Evoko home server. Logs can help when you're talking to the support associates or engineers here at Biamp. They can help determine, maybe what's not necessarily working correctly with the Evoko home environment. So on Windows, how we navigate to the logs is quite simple. We'll want to open File Explorer directly on the server that has Evoko home installed. And we'll want to navigate to where it says this PC on the left-hand side. We're going to actually click on the local disk here underneath the C drive, and we're going to navigate to Program Files. Once we are in Program Files, we should see a folder here called Evoko. Let's go ahead and open that folder. You will then see a folder called Evoko Home. Let's double-click and open that one. Now, here in the Evoko Home folder are a ton of files. The folder we're going to navigate to here is called Logs. So let's double click on Logs. Here in this folder, we'll have what's called the Evoko Home log. That's this one, Evoko-Home. You could copy this file and send it to us in an email, or you could send it to us over in a Teams chat. But this is the file here that will give you the most up-to-date logs of the Evoko Home service. And this could actually tell us, where the problem or disconnect could be. Thanks again for checking in on how to find the Evoko Home log. I'll speak to you again soon.